Your food choices can reshape your health, your energy, and even your future. Welcome back to my channel, Holistic Health Flow. In today's episode, we will be exploring different food choices and explore what makes the food healthy and nutritious, and what choices do we need to avoid to maintain our health. Now, starting with healthy food. Healthy food is usually nutrient rich and packed with benefits. So unprocessed whole foods, fruits, vegetables, legumes, these are packed with antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and fiber, all of which are very critical for your gut microbiome health. Fat that is healthy for your body, like fatty fish, avocado, nuts, these are vital to support your brain and heart health, and they fight off inflammation. Fermented foods, so things like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, these are all choices that boost the diversity of your gut microbiome, which is critical in maintaining a very good immunity and important for the mental well-being. Now, the healthy food choices, they can maintain your energy, they can support your gut, and they are very important in helping prevention of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Now, let's talk about processed foods. Processed foods, on the other hand, they are stripped from nutrients because during their processing, they are stripped from all their vitamins and mineral content, and that can contribute to inflammation because it's not nutrient dense, it's calorie rich but nutrient poor. The other thing is, unfortunately, these foods are loaded with additives, and these can contain high sugar and high unhealthy fat, which can really impact your gut microbiome and your inflammation throughout the body. They are also harmful to your gut microbiome because they feed the wrong type of bacteria, which then contributes to obesity and chronic diseases like heart disease, among many others. Now, the processed foods, they might give you a temporary boost of energy, but then later on can lead you to crashes and cravings. The healthy food and the non-processed foods, on the other hand, they can give you sustained energy and keep your body functioning at its best. So what can we do to actually make balanced choices that will help us stay healthy and maintain a very good level of energy? You should try to replace the unhealthy habits in your food choices with healthy habits. So for example, if you usually eat sugary snacks, what you can do is actually replace that with nuts or fruits, because that can actually help the sugar levels not to peak very quickly and then crash very quickly, which can affect you and make you feel hungry. What you can do also is, instead of drinking sugary drinks, replace them with water or herbal tea, because at the end of the day, you are giving your body good hydration when you do that, without actually having something that's calorie poor, without any benefit to your body. You can also try to make choices that involve whole grains rather than refined grains, because that can really help with your blood sugar control. Now, as you can see, healthy food choices can really impact our gut microbiome in a very healthy way, and overall can help us sustain a very healthy, long life. So things like leafy greens, fruits that are rich in fiber can really feed your gut microbiome in a very healthy way. Processed foods, on the other hand, they're actually breaking that delicate balance in your gut microbiome. And as you can see, your gut is the heart of your health. So making correct food choices can impact your health overall. The food choices you'll make now will impact your health now and for years to come. And for us to be able to sustain our energy and live a life that is filled with health and are like that long term, we need to refine our food choices. Nourish your body, transform your life.